How to add partial camera effects in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open DaVinci Resolve and import your video clip into the timeline. Then, select a clip and go to the Fusion page. In Fusion, you will see your media as a media in node connected to a media out node. Start by adding a renderer 3D node between them to enable 3D workspace. Next, add a camera 3D node to the workspace. This will act as your partial camera. Then, add a transform 3D node to control the position, rotation, and zoom of your partial camera, allowing you to create dynamic movement effects. Now, connect your media in node to a Morse 3D node and connect the camera 3D and transform 3D nodes to the same Morse 3D node. This setup allows the partial camera to view the 3D scene. After that, link the Morse 3D node to the renderer 3D node and finally connect the renderer 3D to the media out node. You can now animate the partial camera's movement by keyframing the parameters in the camera 3D or transform 3D nodes for zoom, pan, tilt, or even complex 3D movements. Once you are satisfied with your partial camera effects, go back to the edit page to preview the final result. And that's it. Now you know how to add partial camera effects in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.